4 divided by 2 times 3 negative 1 is equal to what? So many students, while calculating this problem, they simply calculate like this, that 3 negative 1 is written, which means what? 2, and 2 times 2 means what? 4, and 4 divided by 4 means what? 1. Okay, so many students find their answer what? 1 for this question. Okay, so 1 is correct answer according to them, but let me tell you, 1 is not the actual answer for this question. Okay, 1 is wrong answer. Okay, so what is the correct answer for this question? So first of all, I write same question, which is what? 4 divided by 2 and 3 negative 1, right? So what is the actual answer for this question? So for this type of question, one rule is followed, and what the rule is? The rule is B O D M A S. Okay, this is the rule. What it means? It means board mass, right? It means board mass. Here B stands for what? Bracket, bracket. O means what? Of. D means what? Division, division or divide. M is what? Multiplication, multiplication or multiply. M is what? Addition, addition, and final S is what? Subtraction, right? Subtraction or subtract. So this is the rule for solving this type of question. And beam is bracket, which we get first number priority for solving question. Ohm is off, which we get second number priority for solving question. Okay, and dim is division, which we get third number priority for solving question. So this moves like in this order, right? In this way. M is multiplication, which we get 4 number priority, right? So in this way, order move in this way. Okay, so if we see in this question, what we can see? We can see that here a division sign is given in this part, and in this part we can see a bracket sign is given, right? So what should you calculate first, this part or this part? Okay, so according to this rule, we can see that beam is bracket, which gets higher number priority than what? Division part, because you can see bracket is written at top and division is written here, means division gets third number priority for solving question and bracket gets first number priority for solving question. So what should you calculate first for in this question? So we should calculate first this part first, means bracket part first, right? So first, what should you calculate? This part first, means 3 negative 1 means what? 2. So simply write here 2, and here 2 written, so simply write here 2. And you know that bracket sign means multiplication sign, so simply give here multiplication sign, and here 4 divided written, so simply write 4 divided, right? And what should you do in next step? So in this part, what you can see? You can see that division sign is given in this step and multiplication sign is given in this step. So what should you calculate first, this part or this part? So again, if you go through this rule, you can see d means division and m is multiplication, and d means division, which we get third number priority for solving question, and multiplication gets fourth number priority for solving question. So you should calculate what first in this step? So you should calculate division part first, means this part first, right? Why this part? Because division gets third number priority and multiplication gets fourth number priority. It means division priority is higher than what? Multiplication, right? So you should calculate what? Division part first. So 4 divided by 2 means what? 4 divided by 2 means 2. So simply write here 2 and times 2, 2 times 2, right? Because times 2 written, so simply write as it is, multiplication sign and 2. And 2 times 2, what you can get? You can get 4, right? 2 times 2 you can get 4. So this is the actual answer for this question, right? So in this video, what we learned that many students calculate this problem like this, that 3 negative 1 means 2 and 2 times 2 means 4 and 4 divided by 4 means 1. So 1 is the answer according to many students, but 1 is not the actual answer for this question. 1 is wrong answer. So you should calculate in this way to get your final result, which is what, 4, and which is correct answer for this question. Okay, so this is what about today video. It is all about BODMAS. So meet you in next videos, and many more questions like this I will put from next videos as well. So keep watching. Till then, thank you, bye.